Hi! Hi po. Hi to all. I'm so sorry to keep you all waiting. But, nag-upload na. Teka ka lang. It's, sabi sa YouTube 9 minutes. Sorry, medyo nag-clutch kasi like, I had a few final revisions na kinailangan namin pasadahan. So, medyo natagalan yung rendering. But, eto na, uploading na talaga. Promise. What's the ganap? Just a little YouTube video. Mga ano lang naman. It's gonna take like 27 minutes of your time. But, it's gonna change my life, I think. Hi, mamaabot pa po sa 5:59. Correct! Sabi ko naman 5 p.m., hindi 5 o'clock on the dot. The working to fresh lang. Bakla, hindi dahil sa inyo. Hindi dahil sa inyo. Ina. Okay, anyway, hintayin natin together dito. Ito na siya. 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 Ayan. O, diba? Proof of purchase, 8 minutes na lang. Kalmahan nyo. Kabang-kabang na lang yung bakla. Ganda naman. Thanks po. I haven't done a live in a while, no? I think in a little over a month, probably. Or maybe more than. Nga lang, I've just been like busy living life. Ayaw mo yung napadbad sa Pasay. Ayaw ko, be. Be, ayaw ko. Super search pa naman ako. Kaka lang! Diba, pagka na-upload na bagsak tayo agad ng live para go pa ng orin yun na. Next Webes na to. Cory, sa totoo lang. Sorry na. Dead mo muna sa pag-load para bumilis na eh. Correct. Uploading pa lang pala. Sorry na! Kasi, basta, late na pasadahan yung like very last bits of revision. So, ang bala ko sana was like, isa-schedule ko na agad for upload. Like, today. Pero, basta, fault ka naman. Fault ka naman on my end. Medyo matagal akong mag-send back ng revisions. But, yeah. Suklay naman yung bakla. Anyway, hi, kamusta kayo? Main na kayo? Ano ulam? May mas mahaba na hair mo sa akin. Dapat lang, mahal to. Mahal yung pagpapakabit nito. Diyos ko, Lord. May pa-rendering yan sila, correct. But you know, I wanted it to be as like perfect as I could make it. I mean, there's no such thing as perfect. Pero parang, I wanted to take you all on a journey of basically my life, probably the past year. And I wanted it to be clear. I wanted na parang the background of where it's coming from, how it built up over the years in my life came from. Gusto ko malinaw siya. So, you're going to see a lot of never before seen. Hindi naman never before seen, pero photos of me na parang hinukay ko pa sa baul and everything. Basta ganyan, tangki na 8 minutes. Aabot sa 5:59, promise. O baka maiyak kami. Ewan ko na lang. Malay nyo, ano pala to? One woman show comedy, ganyan. Malay nyo, i-upload ko pala ay bagong snatch game. Ano si Fine Fresh? Sino si Fine Fresh? Paano maging fresh like you? Pakabit kayo ng buhok. Tapos mag-hotpot kayo ng alas 4 ng umaga sa Pasay. Inang buhay. Megan Scandal na tagpo ang kinalbo. Sofia La Forteza to, nak. 1, 2, hi, it's Cat's Eye. Janice. Hi, mama. Ako to si Naka from San Mateo Rizal pa. Shout out sa'yo, Naka. See you later, love. Oo nga pala, if you guys aren't doing anything tonight, I will be performing for the Wicked Quiz Night later sa Rampa. Magbabalik po ang ating very popular Glinda. At tutuhog tayo ng mga bagong songs from For Good. Maamatin natin siya just because tis the season, ika nga. My version of Hot Pot. Suob ng alas 3. Ayun, deserve. Muntik tumagos. Yes, another mixed performance. Yeah, yun din. I've been kind of like... I took a little break from drag the past month just to, kind of pay more attention to my personal life. I've been doing drag for more than 5 years now, going on 6 in April. So medyo matagal-tagal, but like I've been doing drag for more than 5 years, and for those 5 years, I really put a lot of focus on my drag, on my career. And ayun, parang honestly speaking, mula nung lumabas kami from filming ng Drag Race, medyo pinipiga ako yung sarili ko from a long time burnout. And I tried as much as I could to just like be present and be able to perform well for all of you. Pero I think ngayon na nag-align ang everything na I gave myself time to rest. And I gave myself time to just live my life, be myself, live my personal life. And I think that is what led me to this very moment na in 7 minutes makikita nyo. I got the last ticket sa Drag in the South. I'll see you soonest. Alam nyo ba, sobrang nape-pressure akong lutuin yung pyesa ko for Drag in the South. Basta, yun. Mix, dito ka mag-perform sa bahay namin. Itama mo muna spelling ng pangalan ko na andyan na somewhere yung pangalan ko, tapos mali pa rin spelling. Wow. See you on the 29th. Please support the Velveteen Project. Yeah, actually this week, I'm kind of like plunging back into work. So on the 29th, I will be at the Shady Brunch. I will be performing lang, sa Vice Comedy Club for brunch, and then after that I will be going to the Velveteen Project, a benefit show for World AIDS Day, which as you all know is very very close to my heart. And yeah, medyo back to work na tayo, slowly but surely, especially since papasok na ang Christmas. Speaking of which, if you want me to be part of any like shows for your company, for I don't know, like any campaigns, please don't hesitate to reach out to my email at mixchannelofficial@gmail.com. When ka mag-perform sa Monarch, girl, I'm performing at Monarch every Wednesday for free out of drag. Sa totoo lang, lalo na pag maganda yung set, Diyos ko, kagabi, Brian Kua, tapos Mike Lovett, ay, doy! Kahit onting-onti lang yung ininom ko, talagang hataw na naman si Baala. Bekenemen for good review, I definitely want to do a for good review, but it might not be on Bekenemen because I am cooking up a different podcast. Because as you know, of course, very very happy for him, Mr. Baus Rufo, ang aking partner, ay very 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 booked, blessed, and busy for the Dog Show Divas. So I think it's time, I think nag-align everything na I think it's time for us to kind of like spread our wings separately and cheer each other from the sidelines, ganyan. Wig from, mama, it's not a wig. Bitch, that's my fucking scalp. It's not a fucking wig. Did the hair grow out of my head? No. But it's real and it's mine. Not a wig. Girl, not a wig. Nyo akong inaano. Nyo akong inaano. Gigigil ako. Char. Love your hair, love. Sobrang babakla ako. As you should. Mix on Dog Show Divas when? Girl, honestly, they're so ahead on filming. Kung alam nyo lang, as in parang, they film some episodes on the week of release, pero may mga episodes sila na pre-recorded na parang, alam nyo yun. Kasi girl, talagang, kaliwat kanan yung dalawang bakla na yan. And I'm so happy for them. All of the opportunities coming up for them. Like, wow. Happiness looks so good on you, Mix. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. I think so too. 6 minutes. Di umano. 6 minutes. Night ang fresh mo. Dapat lang. Halang hormones. blooming siya. Ano siya? Becoming. Oh my God. Ipit na yung puwet ko kakahintay. As in, kinakabahan na ako na na-excite to like, finally let you guys in on a secret I've been sitting on for about a year. About a year now. And yeah, I think it's a perfect timing to let it out. Because I feel like, buo na rin siya. Gets niyo ba? Basta, ayun. Anyway, kumusta? Ano ulam nyo? Comment down below. Char. As a probinsyana, hirap maghanap ng salon na nag-offer ng extensions keme. Actually. Naiiyak na ako pero sige 5 minutes pa. Mali! 6 minutes pa rin ang nakalagay. Bakla, pinapakaba ko ng internet connection ko. Grabe na lang talaga ang globe sa akin. Sisig te. Ay, doy, sarap! Purple. Kala, makapagsisig nga mamaya sarap. Hindi ko nasisig na ram. Sobrang ganda mo, Mix. Kanya, sakto lang. Onting ano lang yan. Bagong gising lang yan. Ganyan. Hindi naman, char. Pero, like, onting hilamos lang. Walang makeup yan. Onting filter lang, be. Sa real lang. Ganda naman ng baby ko na yan. Okay, nung baby. Bakit? Pogi ka ba? Kung pogi ka, DM mo. Ay, chat. Hindi yan sa internet. Ganyan talaga yung YouTube na yan. Parusa. Real lang. Hair mo yan siya, oo be, anit ko yan, anit. Wala kayong nakikitang lace. Anit. Kalaban lagi internet sa upload. Hello, Mix, so pretty, Miss Ange. Miss Ange, once again, I just want to thank you so much for the support that you gave last Friday. Yung may show kayo sa Iloilo pero taga Antique Province, muntik na. Ay. I know, I wish I could be everything everywhere all at once, but I'm only myself. Bakla, yung YouTube, parang, pinapakaba ko. Abo to 5:59 promise. Sana pala 6 PM yung nilagay ko, no? Mali ko din eh. Tanga din eh. Ganda naman ang baby ko na yan. Uy! Hindi para bigyan mo ko ng bagong tatay. Hindi para bigyan mo ko ng bagong tatay. Walang baby dito. Char. Miss Anjang, sarap po ng chicken skewer. Salamat po. Actually, ako hindi talaga. Yung pulled pork adobo sandwich talaga yung pinaka-winner sa akin. Promise. Girl, as in, parang ilang araw ko pa kinain yung pulled pork sandwich na yun after that. Post nga dyan, love, screenshot ko lang wallpaper. Okay, go. So excited to see sa December 19. Teka, anong December 19? Wait lang. Patingin ako ng kalendaryo ko. Anong meron dyan? Anong meron sa December 19? Hold the phone. Si Lieutenant Adjutant Benjamin Chanel pa naman tatay niyan. Siya, correct. Huwag mo paalam man na kinakabahan ka para di ma-sense na internet connection mo. I'm so confident. Salamat sa feedback at Arlene's Catering yung food. Okay, noted. We'll, tag sa everything. Type ko na yan siya sa, description. Wait. Ayan. PS, special thanks to Arlene's Catering for the food on set that day. Di ba nga? Post nga dyan, screenshot ko. Kaka-post ko lang. Nakapag-post na screenshot mo ba? Nak, don't expect na mataas ang marka mo. Please manage your time dahil super late na to output mo. Remember kayo gumagawa ng grade nyo. Kami laan at taga-compute. 5:59, ma'am, aabot. Glinda Chanel went tonight. punta ka rampa. Pag hindi mo napuntahan sa rampa, huwag kang magre-request ulit. Ha? Char. If ever ba na-i-invite ka mag-Jensen, punta ka ba, go, sagot nyo flight. I amaze you, see you later, try. Ala, Angel. Ala, Angel, pag ako nag-expect. Angel, pag ako Ala. Isa pa pala, di ko na screenshot, nag-back phone ko sa live. Yan tayo. Sige, mag-a-adjust ako for you. Sige. Okay na, na-screenshot na. Glinda or Sabrina? Glinda is tonight, Sabrina is soon. Meron din ako Sabrina gig ulit sa December. Kasama ko si Sabrina Brandy at tsaka si Matilda Carpenter. Abangan. Sobrang ganda mo, Diyos ko po. May tatapusin lang ako, promise. Actually, ako din marami pa akong kailangan tapusin. Bago ako makalipad na rampa, marami pa akong tatapusin for today. Ayan. Bakala, yung YouTube, naiirita na ako. Hi po, boss. Pwede po pa shoutout. Shoutout dyan sa baby ko, Chino. Love you. Bata pa lang po ako, pinapanood na po kita. Wow, Ali Nicole. Sa bunutan kita dyan eh. Tapusin mo na din ako. Ala. Paanong klaseng gusto mo tapakan ko leeg mo? Kaya ko. Mahilig ako manapak ng leeg. Shariz. Paano irita? Ganon, okay na yon. Grabe, above. Realness lang. Ganda mo, please, wag ka Bakit magpapakalbo? Be, kung alam mo lang kung gano'n kamahal tong buhok na to, sinasabi ko sa'yo, bakit ako magpapakalbo? Usulitin natin to hanggang siya mismo yung bumigay sa akin. Na-serve sa bunutan yung Ali. Gouch, teka dito. Eto ka sa akin. Ganon. Kahit sipain mo ako pang sorry. Gusto ko pag sinipa kita, i-Gcash mo ko. Pwede ba yun? Missed your life. Grabe ka, ano katagal deprived ng mixed mark test. Sorry na. Sorry na lang talaga. Basta. Babalik tayo soon. You just needed to medyo the past month, bumali-baliktad yung buhay ko. Basta bumali-baliktad ang buhay natin, yes. Sa mga nakakapansin, if you know, you know. Isang broom arrived to love you. Versex attack. A fierce philosopher once said, vroom arrived. Ganon, pag si Versex. Nambabardagol yan siya pero kinakabahan. Totoo lang! Ayan, 92%. 92% na yan siya. Hintayin nyo. Aabot yan. 559 promise. When yung Sabrina show pa spoil, please. Si Karet. Early December. We love you, Mix. We love you, Dreamer. Tagal mag-upload. Oo nga, day. Sa totoo lang. Kahit ako na yung biyerno na. Si Glenda pala to eh. Let us be glad. Let us be grateful. Char. Kala mo naman talaga. Team Arizona Brandy or Team Brigading. Team tapos na yung Slayshan. The result is the result. Diyos ko ba? Bakla, ilang buwan ang tapos Hair care content please. Actually, pinag-iisipan ko yan. As a Miss Girly na naka-extensions, pinag-iisipan kong paano nagawin siya. I don't actually, girl, alam mo, hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung hair care na ginagawa ko. Basta alam ko, yung buhok ko mabango kahit mga twice to thrice a week ko lang siya pinapaliguan, malambot siya, maganda yung galaw. Syempre, gamit natin cream silk kulay pink. Team Kiana yan, mix yan, layan. Wala, miss ko naman sister ko. Miss ko naman si, Ken Trayan. Mix, what's your skincare? Oh, alam nyo, if you want me to do a skincare routine, content soon, sige, gawin natin yan. Ano ba? I just use, it's kind of basic. I use, a light cleansing wash during the day pag morning. Tapos, toner, moisturizer, sunblock. And then pag gabi, that's when I use a heavier cleanser, toner, and actives, mga serum. So I like alternating between like vitamin C's, BHAs, and retinol. Manifesting cream silk girly soon. Actually, bakla nakikinabang talaga. Yes, lahat na yung beauty routine yan. Sige, I also wanna do, actually, I've been wanting to do daily makeup routines, yung different levels. Kasi iba-iba yung like daily makeup routines ko, depende ko anong gagawin ko. If I'm just gonna run errands, like grocery, mamalengke, ano lang yan, onting skin tint, a little bit of powder foundation, cream blush, onting brow gel, onting lip tint, ganun-ganun lang. Sometimes naman I like to do like a little bit more of a glam, a bit more of concealer, or a bit more foundation. I actually have a lot of PR packages that I've yet to review. Sorry na, medyo wala, sinusumpong pa ang ng 3 minutes! 3 minutes! Hair care routine muna prayo. Okay, coach. I really hope makapag-review ka ng For Good Mix. Bekenemen Part 1 of You is my favorite video about Wicked. Oh, thank you. For Good, I really liked For Good. Kasi, honestly, I haven't seen the stage musical. Pero yung Act 1, pretty much alam ko na yung story. Kasi I knew most of the songs. I knew kind of the context. Yung Part 2, I only knew bullet points. Hindi ko alam yung like order of events. Pero parang alam ko na, si ganito magiging ganyan. Yung ganito mangyayari yan. But the first time I watched it, medyo parang I had to just process and take in all of what was happening. Tapos nung second time na parang ganon. Char. Soon yan, dami naming pending PRs on box. Girl, yes. Ang dami. But this is hopefully the video that I am currently uploading is about to kind of shift gears in terms of my career. I'm not leaving drag, I'm not quitting drag. I will always love drag, but I kind of want to focus more on connecting with all of you in ways outside of drag. Kasi, drag has been my life for 5 years, and a majority of the content that I've been putting out has revolved around drag, has revolved around my life as a drag queen. Now, I kind of want to let people in on my personal life, my daily life, my routines. So, let's see. Mix pasabi, I love you, Andeng. I love you, Andeng, as person na hindi ka kilala personally, but ayun, love pa rin kita, Goach. O, diba? Hindi tayo mag-encourage ng parasocial relationships dito. Charot, hindi. Mahal ko kayo. Thank you guys always for supporting me. But, alam mo yun, just like acknowledging the reality that you know me, and a lot of you I don't know personally. I hope I get to know you personally. I hope I meet you sometime soon. Mix, sino favorite mo ini-impersonate? Yung intrusive thoughts ko, yung mga demonyo sa utak ko, ganyan. Uploading 100% processing na lang. Upload complete processing will begin shortly. Sandali. Peka ka lang. Processing. The standard. Teka, ito. Resibo. Mixi, tutuloy pa ba, Mixi? Of course. I love Kiana. I love hanging out with Kiana. Me and Kiana have been kind of connecting lately outside of doing drag as well. Kasi medyo ano siya eh. Ang nakikita ko kay Kiana, para she really wants to be more proactive in enjoying her life. And I am doing that as well. So nag-a-align kami doon. But also, girl, Miss Mama's booked and blessed. Sa mga pupunta sa birthday show ni Marina, bakla, pasabog ng mga pinahanda nila sa totoo lamang. Sino yan? Bakit ang ganda ng nasa thumbnail? Salamat po kay Angel at Drag ni Angel para sa napakagandang photos from that day. I'll be uploading those tomorrow pang like up ng everything. Bagay din siguro sa Hair Mo Mix High Pony. Ay, bakla, amats ko yan. Favorite ko yan lately. Teka ka, ayusin natin siya. Pakitaan ko kayo na napakagandang ponytail. Hindi ba siya like super high pony? Mga ano pa lang siya. Medyo mid pa lang siya. Kasi, pag hinay pony ko, bukayo na yung buhok sa ilalim na maiksi. Wait. Teka ka. Bakla, huwag ka nang mahirap ka banding. Sumama ka dun. Ayan. Let's get this. And then let's brush this down the side. Ayan. Sobrang favorite ko to. Kasi well, one, malamig siya. And two, it just feels so kind. Like, ilan years mo yan pinatubo yung hair mo. Hindi ko alam kung ilang years pinatubo nung taong nagpatubo. Pero sa akin, mga 3 hours lang siya kinabit. Bakla, parang ang OA nyo naman. Nung sinut yung season 3, ang iksi-iksi ng buhok ko. Tas kailan lang yun? I only started to actively try to grow out my hair, I think around... November, December last year. Yeah. Putang ina. Checking 9%, 10 minutes left. Gago, 6 o'clock tayo. Putang ina. Flop Yana the 5 p.m. Flop Yana, hindi tayo abot sa 5:59. Awa ng Diyos. Sabi ko na dapat 6 yung nilagay ko eh. Masyado akong pala decide in my life. Pero okay lang yan. At least like, may oras muna tayo mag-bonding ngayon before nyo mapanood ang everything. Okay lang yan, bonding muna tayo. Diba nga? Late na yan, go deductions. Confident ako sa work ko kahit i-deductions mo yan, A+ pa din niya. Sabi sa'yo, waiting another yan. 5 p.m. pala. Wag na lang kaya itigil na. Delete ko na to. Char. Pero give nyo 4K. Sa mga naka-YouTube Premium dyan, 4K. Kamusta upload? Eto na. Ayan siya. O diba? Processing up to 4K, 5 minutes left. Parang aabot. Aabot tayo ng alas 5. Hindi ko lang sinabing 5 o'clock. Sabi ko 5 p.m. Pasok pa sa banga. Bonding with Yudi Mariwe. Nabis ko na yan siya kayo. Si Yudi kasi, hindi kami nagkasabay ni Yudi. May mahal-mahala na siya kung kailan malaya ang EA. Ay, sorry na spoil. Nag-aalaga ako sa balcony. Amin na yan. Baba mo yan dito si Sachi. Amin na yan. Anong ma-advise mo sa akin na na-in love sa friend ko? Pass. Ayoko yung topic na yan. Next po. I think kaya pa yan ng 5:59:59. Can you greet me a happy breakup? Girly pop! Baril ka sa akin! Happy breakup! Sometimes things turn out for the better. Huwag kang kabahan. Gusto ko yung ganyang thinking, ate, ha? Ganyan ako sa call. Kerida, sa bunutan kaya kita. Kerida! Na-post na. Okay, uploaded na. Ladies and gentlemen. Asa na yan siya. Okay, buksan na. Ay, sandali! Buksan na yan siya. Punta tayo sa ating channel. Hey, hey, hey. And here it goes. Ayan, panoorin nyo na. Punta na kayo sa aking YouTube channel. And thank you so much for hanging out with me habang nag-upload tayo. Let's go. Bye!